What's going on, my friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start creating digital products and how to make your first sale and how to start making money in your sleep. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to show you how you can do it too. I'm going to show you all that coming up next. So welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Jay, and on this channel we do everything from how-to videos, tips and strategies, and step-by-step guides teaching you how to start creating your online influence and turn your passion into your profit, because let me tell you, it is possible. That's the first thing I want to talk about. It is possible for you to start earning money online. A lot of people think that earning money online is a scam because they see those guys with those Ferraris and those cars and all those things that we think only the rich of the richest can get. But let me tell you something. Can $500 a month passively change your life? Come on, can $2,000 a month change your life? Can you just have $20 a day actually change your life if you're making that money in your sleep? The first thing I want you to think about is that it is possible to make money in your sleep. It's possible to make money passively. And what I have learned in my experience, that the best way to make money passively is to try to get as hands off as possible. And what I found to be the best way to do that is to create a digital product. So what I learned, that selling a digital product is really more hands off than selling a physical product. Think about a physical product, right? You have to make sure that you have the right product in the box, ship it to the right address, actually follow the tracking to make sure it gets there, and hopefully when the buyer opens it, they love it and don't want to return it, and you got to deal with all that. So again, selling digital products is so much better because again, when the buyer click it, the buyer downloads it and the buyer gets it. And even if they want a refund, at least you can give them a percentage back of their money, but you don't got to worry about dealing with shipments back to you or returns or all those type of fees. Again, when you sell a digital product, it's easier to deal with in regards to the buyer getting it immediately. And that's what we call instant digital downloads. Second, I want you to follow your passion. You cannot be led by profit unless you're first led by passion, right? Because let me tell you something. It takes time to build your store. It takes time to identify your audience. It takes time to build a social media following and start being your email list. And if you're working with a product you do not like, if you're working in a niche that you're not passionate about, you're going to get bored, right? You're going to get sidetracked and it's going to feel like work. So don't start off with profit, start off with passion. Why? Because guess what? There's a person out there. There is a group out there that shares your same passion. And once you identify your passion, then you are able to identify the people that share with that passion. And once you identify the people that share with your passion, it's going to be easy gaining profit because you're going to provide a product that they're also passionate about. So think about what you enjoy. Think about what you do on your spare time. Think about what makes you smile, what you talk about, what you can talk about for hours. Is it a product in your home? Is it a certain niche that you're passionate about? Is it a certain talent that you have? I want you to identify your passion and be led by your passion as opposed to being led by profit. Because let me tell you a little secret. Profit's going to come based upon what you're passionate about. So be led by your passion. The next thing I can teach you about making money in your sleep with making a digital store is identifying the people that share in your passion. This is what we call a tribe, right? You want to be able to build a tribe, identify the people that share in your interests. So if it's a particular type of music, if it's a certain type of beauty style, or maybe a certain type of food or maybe a vacation spot, or maybe some form of entertainment that they enjoy. You want to be able to identify the people that also share in your passion. So again, don't be led by profit, be led by passion, because passion is going to identify the people that share in the same interests. Now, my friends, once you identify the people that share in the same interest, you want to start building up some type of platform that gets people in, that you are able to communicate with. Now, that can be a fan page on Instagram. That can be an interest page on YouTube. But the thing is, you want to start putting your product into the people that share your passion. And the passion has to be tied to the product. That means the product has to solve a problem, right? The product has to solve a problem. And the best way to start engaging the people that share in your interests is find a problem that they have and solve it through a product, right? That product we're talking about right now can be digital. Maybe it's 50 steps of gaining money online. Maybe it's just 20 of the best Italian recipes they can make from scratch. Maybe it's the top beauty products that they can find under $5. Whatever the product is, make sure the product is tied to solving a problem. And the last one that I can provide to you is communicate to your audience often. I can't tell you how many people have subscribers on YouTube. They have people on their email list. They have a following on social media, but they don't communicate. And if they do, it's once in a while. It's not on a regular, consistent basis. So I want you to start outlining how you are going to communicate to your audience and when and what are you going to provide. Now, I provide a PDF link below teaching you exactly how to do this, how to start scheduling when you're going to communicate to your audience, what type of topics you can communicate to your audience, and how you are able to implement your products and your solutions to their problems without being salesy. I have that PDF for you and I want you to check it out. So make sure you guys follow the link below. So if this was any way helpful to you, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel. On the channel, we do things just like this, teach you tips and strategies and how-to guides, step-by-steps, showing you how you can start increasing your online influence and start turning your passion into your profit, because I'm here to tell you it is possible. So if you like things like this, consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in the next video.